This is how you make Malaysian style stir-fry spicy chicken. So good. Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to show you how to make Malaysian style spicy stir-fry chicken. This is a popular dish in Malaysia and it's got a very aromatic curry flavor. And I'll take you through step by step how to make this dish. Let's go. So I have some chicken breast, giving them a quick wash, and we're going to use 2 chicken breasts today. Slice it into pieces about this thick. So you want your chicken to be about this size and about this thick. Again. So now we're going to marinate the chicken. A tiny bit of salt, less than half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of sugar, some sesame oil, dash of white pepper, some soy sauce, some water. Give it a quick mix. Bit of oyster sauce. Potato starch. This will thicken the chicken and create a nice thin layer on the outside. And some oil. The oil will lock in all the flavors and keep your chicken nice and juicy. Alright, we're going to let this chicken marinate and we're going to prep some vegetables. 1 red onion. Slice it into thin slices. Half it first. Slice it thinly. Half. Red pepper. We're only going to need about half. Slice it into strips. I've got some green beans. This will give your dish some colour, but we will need to fry it. So just a very small handful. Trim off the ends and we're going to cut it into thirds. So about this long. 2 cloves of garlic. You don't need to chop it so finely. And finally, I'm going to use half a lemongrass. So bash it so all the flavours will release and cut it into a third. About this long. This dish requires some curry powder. It's essential for the dish. Alright guys, so now we have our ingredients. We're ready to start cooking. Heat up your wok. Oil. First of all, we're going to fry the green beans for about 10 seconds. This is to make sure they're cooked thoroughly. Right, now your wok is hot. Green beans in. Let it fry. Strain it out. Heat up your wok again. Now we're going to fry the chicken. Chicken. Turn off the heat. Let the chicken separate. Back on medium heat. Chicken breast cooks very quickly. It only takes about a minute. Cook it in gentle heat. Make sure it doesn't burn. So you can see the chicken's nice and expanded now. Strain it out. Wash. Heat up your wok again. Make sure it's nice and hot. Oil, lemongrass and garlic. Onions and peppers. Bit more oil. Fry the ingredients so all the flavors release, especially the lemongrass. Green beans. Chicken. I've got some shrimp chili oil here. You can buy these from Chinese supermarkets and they will give your dish a very nice shrimpy flavor and enhance all the flavors in the dish. Fry. Right, now oyster sauce, sugar, MSG is optional, curry powder, about half a teaspoon. Back on high heat. Oil, dark soy, splash of water. Don't worry about the wok sticking, you want that char flavour. Alright guys, some wine to finish. And now we serve. Chicken's nice and soft. I use chicken breast fillets. The chicken's nice and tender, especially after marinating. Green beans, nice length, got a soft crunch. Most importantly, it's cooked. The curry powder does all the work. The chili oil gives it a kick. The lemongrass, you can even put it in your mouth. All the flavors in there. Delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time.